Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're taking a delicious trip around the world to celebrate the sweet side of culture. Here are the top 25 most famous cakes in the world, from chocolate masterpieces to fruit-filled wonders. Let's get slicing. Tiramisu, Italy. Layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone, rich, creamy, and elegant. Sachertorte, Austria. Dense chocolate cake with a thin layer of apricot jam covered in dark chocolate glaze. Black Forest cake, Germany. Chocolate cake layered with cherries and whipped cream, topped with chocolate shavings. Cheesecake, USA. Smooth cream cheese filling on a graham cracker crust, served plain or with fruit. Opera cake, France. Multi-layered almond sponge, coffee buttercream, and ganache. A Parisian patisserie classic. Red velvet cake, USA. Vibrant red layers with cocoa and tangy cream cheese frosting. Victoria sponge, UK. Light sponge with raspberry jam and cream, a British afternoon tea staple. Carrot cake, USA, UK. Moist and spiced with cinnamon, often topped with cream cheese icing. Dobos torte, Hungary. Thin sponge layers filled with chocolate buttercream and topped with caramel glaze. Lemon drizzle cake, UK. Zesty lemon cake soaked in syrup with a crisp, sugary top. Japanese strawberry shortcake, Japan. Soft sponge with whipped cream and fresh strawberries. Tres leches cake, Mexico. Sponge cake soaked in 3 types of milk, light yet rich. Pavlova, Australia, New Zealand. Crispy meringue shell with a marshmallow-like center, topped with cream and fruit. Chocolate lava cake, France, USA. Molten center that flows when cut. A chocolate lover's dream. Cardinal Schnitten, Austria. A delicate blend of meringue and sponge layered with coffee cream. Medovik, Russia. Layered honey cake with sour cream or condensed milk filling. Q lapis, Indonesia. Steamed layered cake made with rice flour and coconut milk. Chocotorta, Argentina. No-bake cake made with chocolate cookies and a creamy dulce de leche filling. Pancho cake, Ukraine. Meringue, nuts, chocolate, and sour cream. Decadent and crunchy. Bienenstich, Germany. Yeast cake with a caramelized almond topping and custard filling. Millefeuille, France. Thin puff pastry layers with cream or custard topped with icing. Mango cake, Philippines. Fluffy sponge cake with sweet mangoes and whipped cream. Boston cream pie, USA. Technically a cake. Vanilla sponge filled with custard and topped with chocolate glaze. Lamington, Australia. Sponge cubes coated in chocolate and rolled in coconut. Mooncake, China. Dense pastry filled with lotus seed paste, eaten during the Mid-Autumn Festival. From creamy to crispy, rich to refreshing, every cake tells a story and brings a smile. Which one have you tried? Which is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, like if you love desserts, and don't forget to subscribe for more sweet countdowns.